All right, Dan, so we're through our playing lesson, and we covered quite a few things with course management and strategies and some uneven lies around the green. What were some of the things that you took from the lesson today that you feel like you can apply, whether you're just out playing with your buddies or maybe you're out playing in competition, playing in a tournament? What do you think is going to work well for you?
I liked especially looking off the tee with that kind of that eye line kind of thing that you had mentioned, and as we were moving through the golf course, I was really like kind of trying to focus on that and like looking out in spots in front of me, kind of like at way out in the distance at the eye line. And honestly, personally, like I felt like I hit almost all my windows there kind of when I was hitting those tee shots, and I really liked the way that it worked for me, and that's something that I definitely want to apply to in the near future with playing and in competitiveness too. And plus it gave me something to think about that kind of actually focused me on the tee too.
Sure.
Like, one thing that I've always struggled with, and I mentioned to you before, is like sometimes I just get going too fast, and I get a little, I don't sit down and actually focus on what I'm doing in the shot on hand, right? And that kind of just slowed me down a little bit, and I was hitting a lot better tee balls. So
good, yeah, not getting ahead of yourself.
Exactly, yeah.
Good.
And that was awesome, and and being able to work on different shots around the greens with you, and and reading different putts and stuff. I mean, it's just that fine tuning that all good players need, right? And being able to have you help me out with all that kind of stuff was awesome. It was really beneficial.
Well, good. Yeah, and I think the visualization is something that we can use in obviously all golf shots. So whether it's off the tee, picking out your window, or when we're on the green, you're thinking, okay, I want to fly it to this point, just before the green, based on the speed of the green and the slope and everything else, and that gets me to how important reading the speed on greens is, right? Sometimes, not always, but sometimes even more important than focusing so much on line. So I think the visualization techniques, I think that staying relaxed, staying kind of in the moment, shot by shot, not getting ahead of yourself, those are all strategies that you can also work on the range. Playing out a golf hole on the driving range.
Okay.
A lot of mental coaches recommend that. So you use your visualization, you picture yourself playing one of the holes on the course you're about to play, and go through that whole routine, and that can be really helpful as well to apply once you get out there.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to try that next time I go on the range, kind of like right before I get on, right on the golf course, think about the first hole, right? The first couple holes.
Exactly.
Play them out and then go do it. Right?
Make your birdies.
Exactly. Get off to a hot start.
Right.
So cool.
Well, good. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy this playing lesson. And
me too.
And
awesome.
hope for some low numbers coming your way.
Perfect. Thank
All
you.
right.
I appreciate it.
Thanks, Dan.
Yep.